Are you feeling lost about making money? Don't worry, there's a good reason for that feeling. The world has changed dramatically since COVID-19 pandemic. Everything we knew before has been turned upside down. But here's the good news. You won't feel lost for much longer. By watching this video, you've just discovered the blueprint, the proven step-by-step process, a success guide about how to make money online in the digital age. Do you remember the COVID-19 lockdown? It caused a major shift in the physical world to the internet. It changed everything we thought we knew about work, business, income, and lifestyle. The familiar world we once knew started disappearing quickly, replaced by a new and strange digital landscape. No wonder so many people are feeling lost and uncertain. During those long COVID days of isolation, people got very bored, idle, and restless at home. After watching TV and scrolling the internet for entertainment for many hours and days, people started searching for how to make money online, how to work from home, and how to start an online business. This massive shift to the digital world created new opportunities, but it also requires new skills and knowledge to navigate successfully. The good news is that this new digital world is based and mimics the familiar physical world of business, products, money, education, and more. However, the difference is that you need new education, tools, skills, goals, and a mindset shift to adapt and make money in this new digital environment. The key to unlocking your potential in this new reality is a quality online education program, mentorship, and success testimonies. Become the person who knows what to do when opportunity knocks at your door. Become the person who understands that education is the key to your peace of mind, dream holiday, dream house, medical fund, shopping expenses, and more. Make new big money goals and learn how to achieve them. Make this opportunity work for you. Remember the parable of the talents? The master gave according to each servant's ability. Are you ready to invest in yourself? Become the person who wants and is able to buy your dream house, go on a dream cruise ship holiday, build generational wealth for your family, and start your own online business. Learn how to reverse engineer your goals and create a step-by-step plan to achieve them. You have just discovered the blueprint, a recipe for making money online. But this recipe requires an investment in yourself, your skills, and your knowledge. You must be willing to pay the price to learn new online tools, skills, mindset, digital products, automated customers, how to start and run an online business. Making money online is a learning journey and lifestyle. Start your learning today and be amazed by the results. There's always more to learn, more skills to acquire, and more opportunities to seize. The digital world is constantly evolving, and so must you. This is your first step in the learning journey about how to make money online in the new digital age. To stress on the reason you are feeling lost today are the often forgotten consequences of COVID-19. The pandemic accelerated digital transformation across all industries, forcing businesses and individuals to adapt quickly or risk being left behind. This shift created new opportunities for those willing to learn and embrace change. The effects of COVID on incomes, work, and human activities were profound. Many traditional jobs disappeared overnight, while new roles emerged in the digital space. People had to learn new skills, adapt to remote work, and find innovative ways to generate income online. One of the most significant developments was the explosion of online education. With physical classrooms closed, students and professionals alike turned to digital platforms to continue their learning journeys. The new surge in demand is self-learning. This has created a massive demand for online education, mentors, and coaches. The blueprint you have just discovered covers all these and more. Every challenge presents a new opportunity. The key is to approach this new world with curiosity, courage, and a willingness to learn. Are you ready to invest in yourself? Are you prepared to learn the skills needed to thrive in the digital economy? It's time to shift gears, reset your life, set new goals, and start a new path. Think about it. How can you recover the lost time, lost income, lost opportunities? How can you recover the investment cost of learning as quickly as possible? These are the kinds of questions many people like you are asking themselves every day. The blueprint provides answers to all these questions in a short time. The blueprint teaches skills that aren't just nice to have, they're essential for anyone looking to make money and create wealth in today's world. The wealth journey is a learning journey. You must be willing to invest in your online education. The investment capital for the blueprint is $981. This price covers the online education, a real online business for you to practice and start with, and coaches and mentors to guide you step by step on your new digital journey. The return on investment is very high. It will change your life forever. There are many testimonies of success, but you must be committed to following the proven process, step by step. Imagine achieving all your goals and dreams. This isn't just a fantasy, it's possible if you are willing to learn and apply the lessons in the blueprint. Are you becoming the person who wants more out of life? Learn how and make it work for you. The opportunity is here, right now, on this video. Remember, not everyone will take action, but those who have taken action are winning and sharing their success testimonies in the blueprint. But if you're watching this video, if you've stayed with me until now, I believe this information is for you. Do not waste any more time. Start. Learn at your own pace from anywhere, at any time. The world has changed, but your dreams are still valid. Be prepared and unlock this opportunity. The digital future has arrived. Your success story is waiting to be written. Let's begin this exciting journey together, right now. For more free information about the blueprint and testimonies of success, comment income, and I will send you a link.